Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another two-page layout for Two-Page Tuesday. And today I am going to use, I was going through some creative memory stash and I found this stripe paper. I love this one. I bought a collection specifically for it. Well, it had other colors too, but I loved it so much. And it has like more, well, they're not quite primary colors, but because the kind of tealy green is there, but it also has a silver stripe in it. So I'm using that, and then it's going on a background of blue paper from Doodlebug Petite Prints. It's the blue jeans dot stripe paper. And I have a couple of pictures of my grandkids playing at this indoor playground it's the late spring here, early spring here, I should say. And they were it was a little cold and messy out to be playing outside, so they went to this indoor playground, so that's what's going on here. I was inspired, obviously, to use these pictures, but from that that blow-up slide thing that they're on at the top left photo there. It works really well with it because of the colors in there. I did add that washi tape, and I don't know what it is. I suspect it might be freckled fawn, but I'm not positive about that. I did not have it labeled. I'm thinking I'm going to put a title in the space on the top on one side, and then I want some sort of journaling card or something in the space on the right. I was not there, but I need to take up some space. So I'm kind of playing with colors and what I can use. I do like this Love This Moment card, and that green in there is almost a teal color. So just kind of going through some of my 4x6 cards here to see what I might have. And the answer is, well, I was going to say the answer is not a lot. I have a lot of cards there, just not a lot of things that I thought worked with this. And that's just me. Like that would have worked. I wanted something with more of a presence though. So I looked at some of the yellows and that would have been a good one too. I think the yellow was slightly off from the yellow in the photograph though. And that this moment is a little bit light compared to what the green is, but I think it works. All right, so I like that so far. Now I know I need a title. I was just tapping that space to the photo to the left there of the photos on the top. So I like this alpha, but I think I didn't have enough of a letter or something like that, or maybe I didn't think it was big enough. I think that's what it was. So instead, I go to this Simple Stories Foam Alpha. It's the Color Vibe Foam Alpha in the yellow colorway, and I need to I need to use the title at Big Backyard. So I don't have any A's here. I'm going to flip a V upside down and then add a little period, which in this case is square, but I think it works anyway. So there's the B for backyard. Now, I was thinking originally the big might fit across there. It doesn't. So I'm going to put the big up here. And then the big looks kind of lost because it's only 3 letters here. So the good news is there is an @ sign in this alpha. So I'm just going to put at Big Backyard there because they are at Big Backyard. All right. Now I'm just going to go through some pieces here. I'm thinking about covering that little heart with a star to go with the kind of star theme of the washi tape there. And that star came off of the Big Backyard sheet there. I'm looking for kind of more generic stickers and that kind of thing. And I'm going through this. Those were some old jelly bean soup ones where they didn't work quite well. And then I see this, these Ellie Studio pieces here, and there's a puffy arrow that says, let's do this. And so I'm going to use that. That came from the Adventure Puffy stickers, which I believe was like their answer to a Disney collection at one point. But you can use it for lots of other things. And my 2 youngest grandkids love Mickey and Minnie Mouse, so Disney was okay too. I'm looking at those sheets, and there's some pencils on that one. I need to use that with some school supply, some school layouts that I've got coming up here. So I'm just going to flip through this while I'm talking to you and find those pencils, because I think I'm going to be doing some pencil or some school layouts later today, which is exciting. Those are on the So Awesome Puffy stickers. Okay. Then I found that little camera embellishment as well, and that one came from one of the Puffy stickers as well too. I did not write that down. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't remember, but it is from one of the Ellie Studio Puffy sticker sets as well. It's older and you won't be able to get it. Oh, actually, it was from the same Adventure Puffy stickers, now that I think about it. All right, then I'm just grabbing some Puffy Stars and Dots, and they are from one of the old Stars and Dots collections as well. They're just called, they're on sheets called Puffy Star stickers, but there's stars and hearts and dots and that kind of stuff. And I'm just going to scatter them around the page. So there's going to be 2 clusters per page here. I decided, I was thinking about doing 3 and not putting anything on the bottom left there, but it just felt really, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm doing 4. I eventually put some up by the title there. Decided it was so empty I needed to do that. You know, you tend to work in 3s, but sometimes there's a good reason to work in 4s. And I'm just adding clusters. That's all it is, a little bit of dimension, and off we go. I don't remember if I did put these on, because I thought about it very late. I couldn't remember if I did it while I was still on camera, because, you know, sometimes you'll get your layout when you're done and you go, oh, should have done this. And I'm just using, you know, colors in red and green and yellow and a teal color. It's hard to make these scattered things look like they're not intentional or that they're not arranged. When you have sequins, you can just throw them on the page and they do it, but not so much with Puffy stickers. All right, guys, there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.